Hello students, today we will solve some of the textual questions of the chapter Conservation of Plants and Animals. The first question goes, fill in the blanks. A place where animals are protected in their natural habitat is called a sanctuary. Second, there is B. Species found in a particular area are known as endemic species. Number C. Migratory birds fly to faraway places because of climatic changes. Question number 2 is differentiate between the following wildlife sanctuary and biosphere reserve. Let us see the first one, the answer the first, wildlife sanctuary and biosphere reserve. In the first point, wildlife sanctuary is an area within which animals are protected from possible dangers such as hunting. Their habitat is also conserved in this area. In biosphere reserve, first point is it is a large protected area constructed for the conservation of biodiversity. Second point in wildlife sanctuary is it provides protection and suitable living conditions to wild animals. In biosphere reserve, second point is it helps in the conservation of various life forms such as plants, animals and microorganisms. Third point in wildlife sanctuary is Panchamari sanctuary is a wildlife sanctuary. Biosphere reserve, third point is Panchamari biosphere reserve is a popular biosphere reserve. Now the second difference between zoo and wildlife sanctuaries. Zoo is a facility in which animals are kept for public exhibition. Wildlife sanctuary, it is an area within which animals are protected from possible dangers such as hunting. Their habitat is also conserved in this area. For zoo, second point is it is an artificial habitat, and for wildlife sanctuary, second point is it conserves the natural habitat of animals. The most important point, that is C, is the difference between endangered species and extinct species. As we know that endangered species are those species which are on the verge of extinction. It is a population of species that is on the verge of becoming extinct, whereas extinct species is a population of species that no longer exist. Hence, it is extinct. Second part of the endangered species is, second point in endangered species is blue whale, tiger, leopard, etc. Example of endangered species. And example of extinct species are dinosaurs, passenger pigeon, are examples of extinct species. Flora and fauna. Flora refers to plants in a particular area, whereas fauna refers to all animals living in a particular area. Example of flora, all the plants like salt, tick, mango, etc. And example of fauna, leopard, wolf, dog, etc. Question number 3. Discuss the effect of deforestation in the following. Very important question. Discuss the effect of deforestation in the following, that is wildlife. Dear students, effect of deforestation on wildlife. Deforestation is the removal of trees or other vegetation from an area for industrial, agricultural or other purposes. Trees and other vegetation from the habitat of many animals. Hence, if the habitat of the wild animals is destroyed, then their numbers would automatically decline or reduce. B part. Effect of deforestation on the environment. Plant absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to perform photosynthesis. If plants are destroyed, then the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere will rise. As a result, carbon dioxide will trap more heat radiations, hereby adding to global warming. An increasing temperature of the earth will disturb the natural water cycle. As a result, there will be a change in the rainfall pattern. This could lead to floods or drought. Number C. Effect of deforestation on villages. Roots of the plants hold soil particles together. In the absence of plants, the top layer of the soil will be easily removed by the action of high speeds, winds or water flow. Thus, deforestation increases the chances of soil erosion. Effect of deforestation in cities. In cities, deforestation can increase the risk of many natural calamities such as flood and droughts in that area. Effect of deforestation on earth. As a result of deforestation, chances of desertification, drought, flood increases. Deforestation can also increase the level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere or in earth. Effect of deforestation on the next generation. Deforestation is slowly changing our environmental conditions. It is responsible for global warming, soil erosion, greenhouse effect, drought, flood and many other global problems. As a result, the next generation will have to face severe consequences of deforestation. Thank you.